Ready to nail your next project with precision and ease? Today, we're here with some of the best cordless finish, Brad, and pin nailers. These tools are perfect for pros and DIYers alike, offering portability, reliability, and top-notch performance. Let's check out the lineup that'll help you get the job done right. Need a Brad nailer that's a total workhorse? The DEWALT 20-volt Max XR 18-gauge cordless brad nailer is a champ for trim and light woodworking. It fires 18-gauge brads from the 5/8 to 2 1/8 inches, sinking them cleanly into oak, pine, or plywood without a hitch. The brushless motor delivers up to 680 nails per charge on a 2.0 amp-hour battery, and the micro nose ensures pinpoint accuracy in tight spots. With tool-free jam release and depth adjustment, plus a low nail lockout to prevent dry firing, it's built for efficiency. The dual LED lights could be better positioned, but this nailer's power and portability make it a top pick for baseboards or door casings. Looking for a reliable, budget-friendly brad nailer? The Craftsman V20 18-gauge cordless brad nailer fires 18-gauge brads from 5/8 to 2 inches, handling trim, molding, or crafts with ease. Its 2.0 amp-hour battery powers over 200 brads into pine or hardwood, matching pneumatic performance without the hose. The tool-free depth dial and jam release keep things simple, and the LED guide light helps in dim corners. At 5.6 pounds, it's lightweight and comfy for long jobs, though it lacks bump mode. Great for DIYers or pros on smaller projects. Looking for a brad nailer that's tough as nails? The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-gauge brad nailer is a beast, firing 18-gauge brads from 5/8 to 2 1/8 inches with zero jams and testing, even in bump mode at 3 nails per second. Its brushless motor and red lithium battery deliver consistent power, sinking over 200 brads into hardwoods like oak without a hiccup. The compact design and precision tip make it ideal for cabinetry or trim work, while the tool-free depth adjustment and jam release keep you moving. No stall release is a minor drawback, but its lightweight 5.8-pound build and durability make it a pro favorite. Need a finish nailer for heavier trim work? The Makita 18-volt LXT 16-gauge finish nailer handles 16-gauge nails from 1 to 2 1/2 inches, perfect for baseboards, crown molding, or plywood projects. Its brushless motor drives up to 800 nails per charge, and the narrow nose fits tight corners like a glove. The anti-dry fire mechanism and tool-free depth adjustment keep things smooth, while the 5.9-pound build feels balanced. It struggles slightly with dense hardwoods, but for most carpentry tasks, this nailer's reliability and ergonomic design make it a solid choice. For beefier projects like stair treads or heavy molding, the DEWALT 20-volt Max XR 16-gauge angled finish nailer is a powerhouse. It fires 16-gauge nails from 1 1/4 to 2 1/2 inches with a 34-degree angled magazine for tight spaces. The brushless motor shoots up to 800 nails per 2.0 amp-hour charge, and the pinpoint tip ensures precision. Dual LED lights and tool-free jam stall releases make it a breeze to use, though it's a bit pricier. At 5.8 pounds, it's perfect for pros needing a robust, cordless solution for cabinetry or wainscoting. On a budget but still want solid performance? The Ryobi 1 plus 18-volt 16-gauge cordless finish nailer is a steal, firing 16-gauge nails from 3/4 to 2 1/2 inches. It drives up to 1,000 nails per charge, making it great for trim, baseboards, or DIY projects. The Airstrike technology ensures consistent power, though it's not the best for dense hardwoods. The tool-free depth adjustment and LED light are handy. And at 5.7 pounds, it's easy to maneuver. No bump mode, but for the price, it's a fantastic pick for hobbyists or light carpentry. For delicate trim or cabinetry, the Metabo HPT 18-volt 23-gauge pin nailer is a precision champ. It fires headless 23-gauge pins from 5/8 to 1 3/8 inches, leaving nearly invisible holes, perfect for shoe molding or decorative pieces. The brushless motor delivers up to 300 pins per charge, but it can struggle with hardwoods, so stick to softer materials. Weighing just 4 pounds, it's super compact with a tool-free jam release and depth adjustment. Some users report occasional jams, but for intricate work, this pin nailer's finesse is hard to beat. Skip the hose and compressor. This 18-volt LXT 21-degree full-round head, 3 and 1/2-inch framing nailer gives you serious pneumatic power without the hassle. It can drive up to 1,000 nails on a single charge using a 6.0 amp-hour battery, sold separately, making it a great pick for heavy-duty jobs. You've got a 2-mode selector for switching between sequential and bump fire, and the anti-slip nose helps you nail accurately from almost any angle. Depth adjustments are tool-free, so dialing in flush or countersink shots is quick and easy. It also has an anti-dry fire feature to stop blank shots and a rear lock-and-load magazine that holds 41 nails to keep you working longer without reloading. Whether you're framing walls or building big, this nailer brings power and convenience together in one tough tool. For intricate work without the bulk, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 23-gauge pin nailer is a compact powerhouse. It fires headless 23-gauge pins from 1/2 to 1 3/8 inches, perfect for thin trim or cabinetry. The 12-volt brushless motor drives up to 300 pins per charge, and the 3.3-pound design feels like a feather in your hand. The no-mar tip prevents surface damage, and the tool-free jam release keeps you moving. It handles hardwoods better than most pin nailers, and the 3-year warranty adds peace of mind. A top choice for precision carpentry. Want a brad nailer that balances power and value? The Metabo HPT 18-volt MultiVolt cordless brad nailer is a standout, driving 18-gauge brads from 5/8 to 2 inches into hardwoods and softwoods with ease. Its air spring drive system mimics pneumatic performance, firing up to 1,000 nails per charge on a 3.0 amp-hour battery. The tool-free depth adjustment and jam release make it user-friendly, and the lightweight 5.5-pound design reduces fatigue during long sessions. No stall release, but the lifetime tool warranty and transparent magazine cover adds serious appeal for trim and molding jobs. Say goodbye to compressors and hoses with the Ryobi 15-gauge angled finish nailer, a cordless game-changer built for professionals who demand precision and speed. Powered by the 1+ HP brushless motor and airstrike technology, this nailer delivers instant firing with 0 delay, making it perfect for fast, seamless work. The ACU drive nose not only improves visibility, but also ensures perfect nail placement while protecting delicate work surfaces. Its angled magazine and compact design are ideal for tight spaces and corners, giving you flexibility where it matters most. With a selectable drive switch, you can switch to contact actuation mode for quick nail placement, boosting productivity on demanding jobs. Plus, the powerful battery system delivers up to 1,500 nails per charge, ensuring all-day runtime without interruptions. For pros tackling trim, molding, or cabinetry, this tool combines convenience, precision, and reliable performance, making it a must-have in any serious woodworker's collection. All right, that's our list of the best cordless finish brad and pin nailers for 2025. These tools are ready to tackle everything from heavy-duty trim to delicate crafts, all without dragging a compressor around. Found a favorite? Drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tools. Catch you on the next project.